The city of Indore has consistently ranked the cleanest city in India since 2017. With a fast-growing population of over 3.2 million people, Indore generates over 1,100 metric tons of waste daily. Prior to 2016, Indore has struggled with waste management. Citizens were not aware of the importance of segregating waste, household waste collection was infrequent, and collected waste was openly dumped on vacant plots and public property. The state nearly took over to Indore's waste management because of how poorly the city was doing. So how did Indore transform itself into the cleanest city in India? In October 2023, the U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, on behalf of the Global Methane Initiative, or GMI, conducted a study tour of Indore to examine the city's waste management practices. There are several key enabling factors and best practices that contribute to Indore's success. The first is political will. The Swachh Bharat, or Clean India mission, launched in 2014 by the Government of India, ignited collective action to improve sanitation across India. In 2016, Indore's newly elected mayor and municipal commissioner set a goal to achieve 100% door-to-door collection and separation of different types of waste at the source. To gain the trust of citizens, the municipality focused on increasing public awareness and participation. They collaborated with an NGO to understand citizen concerns. They developed a phone app for citizens to report problems with city services, including waste collection, and instituted a timely response system. They also launched multiple awareness campaigns to educate the public on waste segregation and household composting. A pilot project was initiated in 2 wards in January 2016. Residents segregated their waste at the source, and sanitation workers helped residents dump segregated waste into the appropriate chambers in collection vehicles. At night, sanitation workers cleaned and swept the streets. The pilot project saw great success and expanded to all 85 wards by 2017. Proper waste management requires appropriate infrastructure. The city invested in compartmentalized vehicles with tracking systems to collect segregated waste, a centralized command center to monitor collection vehicles, highly mechanized transfer stations, materials recovery facilities to process dry waste, a biogas facility to treat organic waste, and a sanitary landfill to dispose residual waste. Indore relied on a variety of funding sources to finance capital expenditure, including state and central government agencies and corporate social responsibility funds. Public-private partnerships helped finance the biogas facility and material recovery facilities. Operating costs are covered by revenues from waste collection fees, tipping fees, penalties, and selling recycled products, compost, or biogas. The combination of these best practices propelled Indore to rank first under the Swachh Bharat Clean India mission's cleanliness survey in 2017. Since 2017, Indore has consistently held this title and emerged as a model city for waste management. Visit globalmethane.org to learn more about how GMI could assist your methane mitigation practices and policy goals.